In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page order in Canva. Hi everyone, and welcome. If you've ever built a presentation or any multi-page design and realized a slide or page would make more sense earlier or later, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy things up without touching your content. First, open your Canva presentation. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your canvas in the center. This works for any multi-page design, but I'll refer to it as a presentation to keep things simple. Next, look toward the bottom of the editor for the strip of page thumbnails. These are the small previews of every page in your project, arranged in the current order. If you have a lot of pages, you may need to scroll along that strip to see them all. Think of this area as your timeline of slides. It's the easiest place to manage the sequence. Now, identify the page you want to move. Hover over its thumbnail and click and hold with your mouse or trackpad. You'll notice the thumbnail highlights, confirming it's selected. Keep holding down as you begin to move it. Drag the page left or right along the thumbnail strip to your preferred position. As you drag, watch for a visual guide, usually a line or gap, showing where the page will land. Move slowly if you need to, especially in longer presentations, so you don't skip past the exact spot you want. If you find it tricky to navigate, try enlarging or slightly zooming the editor so the thumbnails are easier to target. Your content on the page won't change. You're simply shifting where that page appears in the flow. When the page is in the right place, release the mouse to set the new order. Canva will snap it into position instantly. Give the thumbnails a quick glance to confirm the sequence looks correct. If you decide you don't like the change, you can undo right away with your usual undo shortcut, and then try again. A helpful tip: once the order feels right, preview your presentation to make sure everything reads smoothly from start to finish. That's it. A simple click, drag, and release is all you need to reorganize your pages and tell a clearer story with your design. And that's how you change the page order in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.